I welcome you back again to another awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, we are going to learn how to use the Python shell as a simple calculator in Python programming. Let's move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Okay, so you've downloaded Python shell and let me go ahead and teach you how to play around with this by making some simple calculations using Python shells, and it's very easy. So how do you do that? Simply type in 5 plus 6 and click enter, and that gives you 11. Just as simple as anything. You don't need to write any code here. So 9 minus 2, and that gives you 7. And 6 divided by 3, and that gives you 2.0. 4 modulus 7, and that gives you 4. And what of 4 multiply 8, and that gives you 32. So what do you want to do with Python? You can just go ahead and do that, and it gives you anything you want. In fact, use this to calculate anything you want. You don't need to type in print or do this or do that. So you can always open your Python shell and start using that as your calculator if that is what you have nearest to you. So I believe it's a very good experience, and as a beginner, I believe you must really love this. Okay? So you can now go ahead and say print, or you can go ahead and assign this to D is equal to 8, and T is equal to 5, and you can go ahead and say print T plus D, print T plus D, and hit enter, and that is 13. And you can also go ahead and say print T minus D, and hit enter, and that is minus 3. You can see that. And go ahead and say print T multiply D, and hit enter, and that is 40. And which one again? Let's go ahead and say print T modulus D, and that gives you 5. And let's go ahead and say print D divide by T, and hit enter, and that is 1.6. So this is how you use Python shell as a calculator, and I believe it's very interesting and very easy. So go ahead and check it out. And if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, so I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Then in the next lecture, we'll go ahead and move in depth into Python programming. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.